Hey guys, good morning. Sunny here from the Master Trader, and it's 9:50 in the morning, and as you can see, about 13,000 in gains. Okay, I took this position here, guys. I shorted here as Nifty was trying to break out, but it got rejected. Okay, so I'm gonna pause my video very quickly and go book my profits. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have just gone and booked my profits around 14,000 in about 20 minutes. Okay, not bad to start off the day, right? And I'm done. I'm done for the day. Alright, here is my position, right? So that's it, guys. You know, sometimes you have to be quick, right? Sometimes generally what happens is, you know, there's this thing called paralysis by analysis. Okay, sometimes we get so caught up in our analysis that we tend to overanalyze and we don't go and execute, right? But sometimes, you know, when your strategy is signaling you, you know, to buy or sell, and you're confident, right? All the factors are matching, all the signals are hinting, you know, to take a trade. You just need to go and execute, right? Now that's what trading is. Trading is it's quite simple, guys. Okay, it's quite simple. Trading is basically when you have an edge, meaning you have a strategy that gives you, you know, a probability that over the course of time, like let's say over the course of 100 trades, you know, you will come out as a winner, as profitable. So once you know that your strategy has an edge, okay, then all you have to do is go and execute, right? And while you're executing, you need to predefine your risk. Now, I shorted somewhere here, okay, and my risk was defined above this level, right? That was my stop loss. Okay, so my risk is predefined, so I know that if stop loss hits, I'm gonna lose this much. So that completely removes all the fear from the trade, okay, because I know how much I'm willing to lose on this trade, right? And I'm comfortable with it. I've already, you know, made myself okay with losing that amount. So when you do that, right, it removes all the emotions, all the fears from the trade, right? Once you're okay with losing that amount, then there's nothing to worry about. Then all you have to do is just manage your trade like I did. When I entered here around these levels, right, I simply came here and broke my profits. Or it could have gone and hit my stop loss, right? Whichever it is, whichever one it is, you know, that's all trading is, right? But, you know, why people face difficulty in trading is because, one, they trade without any knowledge, right? Without having a proper strategy, with having an edge. Secondly, they treat trading like gamble, right? Because they want to become millionaires in one day, which is not going to happen. Right. Another thing, people overtrade. If they're trading with, you know, 50,000 capital, they'll end up taking a trade, you know, 10 times the leverage. So it completely gets out of control. Okay, and becomes difficult to control that trade then. But when you have things in limit, when you have set some rules, you know, like I have, right, where you have predefined your risk, so then there's nothing to worry about, you know. And now it's just a matter of the course of time. How many trades are you going to take over a course of time, right? And that's it. Out of, let's say, 10 trades, you need to come out at least 6 or 7 trades in profit, and 3 or 4 trades may hit stop loss, right? Depending on your risk to reward. Now, my risk to reward is generally, if I'm trading options, it's minimum 1:2, but I generally look at 1:3. Okay, here I booked around almost 20 points, okay, whereas my risk was around 7 to 8 points on this trade. Okay, risk was a bit higher on this trade. I generally don't take such high risk, but as you can see, it was almost a 1:3 kind of a risk to reward. Okay, and generally most of my trades are like that, right? And I feel like I've booked profits early today, but it's okay. You know, it's just 10 in the morning. I'm done. Now I'm free for the rest of the day, guys, right? So I'm happy with these kind of gains. Okay, now if you do it consistently over time, this compounds. So that's it, you know, and this is all you have to do. So it's fairly simple. It's just us, we make it complicated. Okay, So that's it for this video, guys. If you like these kind of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below if you feel like there's something you want to share, or you can even join my groups. I've left the description in the box below. You can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching.